Here we come to another set of elevators at Evans Library at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These used to be Otis from 1967 until they got modernized with ThyssenDover in 2000. That elevator car right here is out of service and decommissioned. But they still retain that original Otis lantern. Cab is obviously original. These were modernized in 2000. These are not as busy as the main elevators, the Kona I'm talking about. Cab is obviously original. The Otis black button elevator in the back is still there, still decommissioned. All right, let's go on one and switch elevator cars. Look at this panel right here. See, this right here is the regular panel, but this right here is the short panel, which is quite interesting. Definitely used for ADA compliance. Should ring the bell. Nope, it does not ring. But we're gonna go ahead and switch into another elevator. This one's obviously got the original Otis door operator. It's got no fan. You're going one? Y'all have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I want to get a close-up view of that floor indicator on the lower panel. Door close one does not work. This is one of the tiniest COP I've ever seen. It's just like the other elevator. I'm gonna let you hear that door operator sound. I don't know if they changed the door operator, but it definitely sounds like an original Otis. That's your original indicator right there. And look at this. They still have the original Otis nameplate, but now it is turned into Dover, which equals DOVIS. All right, back down to 1, we'll end there. I know a bunch of elevator enthusiasts quote the term DOVIS as these used to be Otis modernized by Dover or Dover modernized by Otis. Original Otis label on the door track. With that being said, there it goes. And that's it.